In this video, we are going to learn how to flash an Raspberry Pi OS to the memory card. For that, first, open the SD card formatter software, then select the card, make sure that the volume label is boot. Then, click on Format, then click on Yes. Now, the formatting was successfully completed. Now, open the Raspberry Pi Imager software. For downloading, you can visit Raspberry Pi official website. Here, you can download Raspberry Pi Imager for Windows OS. Now, choose the memory card that you inserted to flash the OS. Then, click on the Choose OS option. Under this option, you can see large variety of OS for the Raspberry Pi. Here I am choosing Raspberry Pi OS 32-bit, since my Raspberry Pi was 32-bit. Under this customization settings, you can set up the initial setup. Click on Edit Settings, set the host name as it is. Make sure that you have enabled SSH. Then, set username and password. Then, enter the SSID and password of the SSID, which means that in which Wi-Fi network your Raspberry Pi have to connect. Then, make rest of the things as it is. Click on Save, then, click on Write. Then click on Yes. Now, you can see the Raspberry Pi Imager software has started to write the OS. After few minutes and successful verification, you can eject the SD card. And now, insert that SD card to the Raspberry Pi. Now, we are going to set up the VNC viewer. For that, your PC and Raspberry Pi must be in the same Wi-Fi network. By using an IP scanner, you can get the IP of the Raspberry Pi. Now, open the TerraTerm software. Under this host, type the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. And click on OK. By clicking the Continue and typing the username and password, you can enter to the terminal of the Raspberry Pi. To enable the VNC, type sudo rasperconfig, so that you can enter to the Raspberry Pi configuration menu. Then, select the interface option. Under that, choose VNC. Then click on Yes. After a few minutes, VNC server will be enabled on Raspberry Pi. Now, open the VNC server software on PC. Type the same IP address. Now, click on the Continue, then enter the credentials, click on OK. Here you can see the desktop of Raspberry Pi. That's it.